Hi kids. Hi kids. Today we are talking about these daisy plants. So these flowers are these flowers are white and yellow in the middle. Yellow is in the middle and white is around its petals. I'll give you some tips to give you more flowers. To do it, if you see a hole to any of them, then you just need to cut it, and then a new stem will come, and then a new flower top will come. Now a new stem with new flower will come. So every day you need to water these daisy plants, and then it will be even stronger and even taller. Every day. And make sure you water in the middle. Every day. For roots. How the daisy flower bud looks like. After bloom, this is how the flowers will come. And these flowers are eaten by bugs.